I want to go over how to complete this Edia assignment that is called Zeros and Vertices. This is the first problem, and it says find the absolute minimum and maximum and put D and E if it does not have a minimum or maximum value. D and E stands for does not exist. The minimum or maximum is the highest point or the lowest point on the curve. This is the maximum point. The vertex is always the minimum or maximum. This is the vertex, and the point is at -2, 4. When you are naming the absolute minimum or the absolute maximum, you only name the y coordinate because that's the highest point, or you name the lowest y coordinate because it's the lowest point. So this one is at 4. Therefore, when we scroll down, it has an absolute maximum at 4, and it does not have a minimum, so we put D and E. You'll do the same thing for the next problem. Find the coordinates of the vertices. This one's asking you to find the coordinates, so this one you would write as an ordered pair. If you put your cursor over it, it tells you that the vertex is at 2, -4. So you'll come down here and you'll enter your answer as an ordered pair with the parentheses. All right, on the next question, you have to graph it. You're going to take this function, y equals -4x plus 2, and you're going to go over to the graphing calculator, and you're going to enter in the function y equals -4x squared plus 2, -4x squared plus 2, and then make sure you go and get this little widget so that you can have the table of values. This table of value tells you what points you need to plot over in Edia. I need to make sure I plot -1, -2, 0, 2, and also -1, -2. Those are already points over here on the graph. So I'm going to come over here to Edia, and I'm going to transfer those points. 0, 2. So I grabbed this one. I think it was 0, -2. I can't remember. And then this one I think was at 1, -2. It'll help if you write down the order pairs, y'all. 1, -2, 0, 2. 1, -2. All right, so I put it at 0, 2. And then I said 1, -2. That don't sound right. What did I say? Write it down. 1, -2. Write it down. Oh, okay, this one is sloped downward. So I do need to move this. 1, -2 is going to be 1, -2. My vertex is at 0, 2. So I need to put my vertex at 0, 2. And then I have a third point that I need to graph, which is over here at 1, -2. No, it's -1, -2. So I'm going to plot -1, -2. I drag that one to about here. Ooh, that's wrong. -1, -2. There. All right, so then that's what that graph will look like, and it tells you the y-intercept is equal to 2. I'm going to check this because I'm not sure that's right. Oh, no, I have a mistake. It's saying, where's my mistake? Oh, I don't have a mistake. I have it right. I missed a point on the graph, though. So that part I did get wrong. All right. I think that's all the instructions that you need to complete this. There's another one that you need to graph. Oh, this one you have to tell how many x-intercepts there are. The x-intercepts are where it crosses the x-axis. This one really doesn't have any x-intercepts. It has 1, and it's at the vertex. Let me check it to make sure that's right. Nope, it does not have any x-intercepts. Am I wrong? I think I was supposed to graph this first. Yep, graph the quadratic and then tell. If you just look at this graph and say, oh, it has no intercept, then you're going to be wrong. You got to graph it and then tell. Don't make that mistake that I made. All right, and then the next one is also graphing and telling how many x-intercepts. Again, this is not the graph for it, okay? Find the x-intercepts. This one you're going to put in decimals. Find the x-intercepts and enter the solutions as ordered pairs. So if you put this in decimals and you come over here and it crosses the x-axis, that is your x-intercept that you will write as an ordered pair. All right. I also think that it says on here that if it is a decimal or a fraction, round it to 2 places after the decimal. That means if you get 0.7569, you're going to write it as, let's see right here. If you get 0.70711 and it says write it with 2 decimal places, you write 0.70, comma 0, and then close it out. All right, get to work on that. And happy working.